my name is Briley, and I'm a contributor at JuiceboxDAO. Juicebox V3.1 contracts have been deployed to mainnet, and the V3 JBX token is now live. So today we're going to look at how to migrate your V1 or V2 JBX tokens to V3 JBX. The migration process will allow you to migrate a portion or all of your V1 JBX tokens and/or unclaimed tokens from the V2 JuiceboxDAO project. There's no rush for you to migrate your tokens, and you can do this gradually over time or all at once. V3 JBX tokens will have the same weight in governance as V1 tokens. The migration process may take up to 15 minutes and will ask you to submit 3 or 4 transactions. For this demo, we'll be using MetaMask as our browser wallet. So the first step is to head to the JuiceboxDAO project at juicebox.money/@juicebox and connect your wallet. Next, we'll select the Tokens tab and refer to the Legacy Tokens section. If you have JBX from JuiceboxDAO's V1 or V2 project, you should have legacy tokens. So click Migrate Tokens. First, we'll grant permission to migrate our V1 tokens. So if you have V1 JBX tokens, this step is required. This transaction will grant the V3 JBX contract permission to transfer your V1 JBX on your behalf. Click Grant Permission and confirm the transaction in your browser wallet. Next, we'll do the same for our V2 tokens. So again, click Grant Permission and confirm the transaction in your browser wallet. Again, if you have JuiceboxDAO V2 tokens, this step is required. All right, so now that we've granted permission for both the V1 and V2 tokens, we're going to approve migration and set spending cap. This transaction will approve the V3 JBX contract to spend your V1 JBX on your behalf. So if you have V1 JBX, this step is required. So click Approve, and in MetaMask, select Use Default. This will approve your total claimed V1 JBX balance, but you could approve a lower amount if you'd prefer to migrate your tokens gradually. In MetaMask, scroll to the bottom to click Next to proceed, and then click Approve to confirm the transaction. All right. Last but not least, click Migrate All Approved Tokens and confirm the transaction in your browser wallet. This transaction migrates all approved V1 JBX and unclaimed Juicebox V2 tokens to V3 JBX. All right, and that's it. The page should refresh automatically, or you can refresh it yourself and check the Tokens tab to verify the following. Your balance should be greater than 0, and your legacy balance should be 0. If you have any questions, please visit the support channel in Juicebox Discord at discord.gg/juicebox.